In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to change your name in Among Us. Changing your name is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open the Among Us game on your device. Once you're in the main menu, tap on the My Account option. Then tap Account. Now you'll see your current username. To change your name in Among Us, simply tap on the Change Name button. Then tap here and get rid of your current name. And then type in your new name. Tap on the Confirm button to save changes. Your new name will now be displayed in-game for other players to see. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.